Okay.
Hi, a Rosie math teacher coming at you from my 7th period grade 7 math class. We are working on lesson 3-3. Today is a begin day. But guys, I keep having some kids that are out sick, so I want to make you a video to help you know how to do this lesson. Starting with item number 1. They ask us to subtract, and in the book it says write in simplest form. I'll tell you the truth. Online, they allow you to simply type this into your online calculator. However, hold up, don't do it yet. I want you to understand what is happening here. When you see negative 2.45, and then it says subtract negative 3.9. I want to teach you something that I wish a teacher had taught me long ago because I struggle with these kind of problems. I finally learned the easiest way to describe this to kids is think about this sign here, this first takeaway. Think about that like it's saying opposite of, and then what is that sign? Negative. Or you could think of it as opposite of subtract. Class, what is the opposite of subtract? An addition sign. So right now on your page in your textbook, please write a giant plus sign. Everybody please write a giant plus sign. Then on your online calculator, I want you to type it the way we just represented it. Negative 2.45 plus 3.9. Don't say the answer out loud. I'm not going to give people free answers. They're going to have to do that work for themselves. But the answer that it gives you, ask yourself, does it need to be rounded to the nearest hundredths place? Or does it already end in the hundredths place? It already ends in the hundredths place. If you're in this room right now, you have my blessing to go to item number 1 on tonight's homework. Enter the answer that you just got on your calculator. All right, continue video recording because now I want to jump ahead to an item that I know might be just teensiest bit of a struggle. So as soon as you have typed that answer in and gotten your green check mark, I need your eyes up here again, and we're going straight to item number 5. Everyone in this room, take your online homework straight to item what? 5. And then I want you to write out on your textbook page paper. Remember, you need to show your work evidence. A 100 from photo math, not cool. You need to show your work evidence every day when I take these scores. 7 and 5/12, take away 3 and 3/4. Who remembers what I said this first sign can actually mean? Opposite of subtract. And I heard some of you who remembered what it meant we're going to do. What giant sign should I draw? A giant plus sign. Everybody please draw a giant plus sign. Now please stack out to the side these two fractions. 7 and 5/12 plus 3 and 3/4. Now guys, think in multiples of these denominators. I have a denominator of, name the one up here, 12, and I have a denominator of what? 4. Which one, now as a denominator, they're smaller and smaller pieces. The bigger the number is, the smaller the piece, right? But out in the real world, which of these is a bigger number, the 12 or the 4? 12. The 12. So begin counting by 12s until you say a multiple of 4 and then stop. Ready, begin. 12. Why did we stop? Because 12 is a what? A multiple of 4. So therefore we know what denominator are we going to use? 12ths. Everybody please write 12 across from 12 and 12 across from 4. Since I am keeping the denominator 12ths, what am I also keeping for the numerator? Tell me if you know. Well, do you see how I just copied the 12ths? So let's copy the numerator. What is it? 5. And then down below, I need to ask myself, 4 times what equals 12? 3. What shall I then multiply the numerator by? Also by 3, giving me what? 9. Tell me how to add fractions. Add the what pieces? Numerators. So what are the numerators?
5 and 9.
5 plus 9 equals? 14. What do I do with the denominators? Keep it. So I end up with 14/12. Now wait a minute. Before we add our big numbers, Isn't this a number greater than 1?
Yes.
Yes. How can I convert that to a mixed number? Go ahead.
12 times 12 equals 1. So if you add 2 more, that'll be 2 12s.
Okay, great. Guys, did you hear how she said if there are 12 pieces in each whole pie, then 12 pieces out of 14 make one whole pie, but how many more pieces are left over? 2. And what size were they? 12ths. Let's take 1 and 2 12ths, add it to 7 and 3. What is 1 plus 7 plus 3? Say it. 11. And guys, we need to simplify our 2 12ths. Aren't they both divisible by 2? Yes. What is 2 divided by 2? Say it. 1. What is 12 divided by 2? 6. So my final answer will be 11 and 1/6. And I hope this explanation helps. Thank you.